Today we're going to look at an overview of the freestart checks of the Liebherr A922 rail excavator. Turn on the isolator. Don't turn off the isolator till the AdBlue ventilation light has gone out. Empty the dust from the air filter. Check the filling level of the grease reservoir. Checking the oil level in the slewing gearbox. Checking the hydraulic oil level. Filling the AdBlue. Filling the diesel. Filling the washer bottle. Checking the splitter box level. Checking the engine oil. Leaks and condition. Checking the coolant in the sight glass. Checking the coolers. Lubricate the steering axle. If necessary, inflate the tyres. Checking for leaks, cracks, grease lines. Checking the operator's manual.